Welcome to another sunny day with the Stock Brothers. I don't know where well, hey, there's my brother. He's gonna go on the jump. Let's watch him jump. Oh, that was far away. Oh, he crashed. Man down. He crashed on the jump. Oh no. What happened? I wish I was closer when that happened.
Oh, it's just I landed crooked.
He jumped off that and landed crooked.
Yeah.
And he's all dirty now. Well, anyways, good way to start the video, I guess. I'm going to show you something I forgot to show you when I was building my jumps up there. I made this drop and it just goes like that. I'll show you from the top. So you just come along here and then it's like boom. You go down the hill. And so I'll do that drop real quick and show you that, and then I'll show you something else. Okay, here we go. So I've never actually shown you what kind of bike I ride, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Oh, I'm actually gonna show you more than just the bike I ride. I'll show you the bike I used to ride and then the bike I used to ride before that one, because I still have them. So let's start with this. We have the Dual Shocks Mighty Bike Tonka. That was my first bike, and I think I rode that till I was like 7. And then we come to this, the Mountain Lion Trek, and this is the bike my brother rides now, and it actually broke because he jumped and crashed. So I guess I have that on video, so I'll show that to you now. So yeah, that's that bike. And so moving on to the next one, we have the Specialized Stunt Jumper FSR XC. I have no idea what that stands for. Some Fox shocks. And yeah, the handlebars are on backwards because my brother was riding this when that bike was broken until we got fixed. So they're backwards so we can reach. And then here's the bike I ride now. It's Santa Cruz Superlight. That's all it says. And I think it's like aluminum with carbon fiber handlebars. Or I think that's what it is. Anyways, yeah, Fox shocks. And that's the bike I ride in all the videos with my mountain bike. So I have one more bike. It's not a mountain bike, but I'll show that to you now. Boom, the XR400. Honda XR400. That's all I know about it. That's my dirt bike. So in any of the videos, if I'm riding my dirt bike, it's this one. Okay. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see some more videos, click right here, and I'll see you next time.